Let us start new chapter of maths, chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. See, chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables. See, first of all, you have to understand that what do you mean by linear equations. Linear equation means what? Linear means a line. That means the equation having highest power 1. Remember this thing. If the equation having highest power 1, then we say that it is a linear equation. Is it okay? Equation having highest power 1. Highest power is also known as degree. So highest power of the equation, highest power, which is known as what? Degree of the equation. Should be 1. Okay, that is called linear equation. Now here we are going to learn about linear equation in two variables. Variable means unknown number which you want to find. Variable means unknown number. Okay, here we are going to learn about two variables. Means suppose x and y, p and q, a and b, etc. So linear equation in two variable standard form. Its standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Equation means equals to something. If there is no equals to, suppose if this equals to is not there, then it is called polynomial. If equals to something is there, then it is called an equation. This is the difference between polynomial and equation. So here we use ax plus by plus c equals to 0 as a standard form of this linear equation in two variable. Here variables are x and y. A equals to coefficient of x, b equals to coefficient of y, and c equals to constant term. Okay, this coefficient a, b and c is constant term, may be 0, may be negative, may be irrational. Okay, value of a, b and c are varied. That means it may be 0, may be in negative term, may be in positive term, may be rational or may be irrational. Right? That means what? If I write, if x equals to 4, this is one equation. If x equals to 4, then you can write in a standard form, you can say that this is linear equation. Linear means highest power 1. So here highest power of variable is 1. Right? So it is called linear equation, but you can say that it is linear equation in one variable because only one x is there. But you can say that it is the linear equation in two variable. Here we consider that once you say that it is the linear equation in two variable, it means that you consider that the coefficient of y is b. Here you consider that b is 0. So standard form is x plus 0y plus 4 move other side, that will be minus 4 equals to 0. Equals to 0 is the standard form. Means here a equal to 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to minus 4. Okay, So in this way we can consider b equals to 0, and then you can say that x equal to 4 is also linear equation in two variable. Similarly, we can write y equals to minus 5. So its standard form will be what? Here y is there, its coefficient is 1, means 1y is there. It means what? Coefficient of x, that is a, is 0. You can write what standard form? 0x plus y minus 5 move this side, it will be plus 5, that is equals to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. Here we consider that a equal to 0, b equal to what? Coefficient of y is nothing, that means 1, and the constant term is 5. Is it okay? Now what is the value or solution of the linear equation in two variable? Solution means value of x and y. Solution of linear equation in two variable. Two variables. Okay? See, solution in linear equation means what? The values of x and y means variable. In short, here variables. If you use variables a and b, then it is a and b. If you use variable p and q, then consider p and q. Here we consider x and y. So I take values of x and y with which equation is satisfied. Equation is satisfied. Standard form of the equation means something plus something plus something equals to 0. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So place the value of x and y in such a way that the sum of these three convert into 0. This values of x and y is called solution of the linear equation. As for example, suppose 2x minus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. Now for which value of x and y this equation equals to 0? Sum of these three will be 0. These values are known as what? Solution of the linear equation. It means what here? Suppose if you take x equals to 1, then this will be what? If x equals to 1, randomly you take x equals to 1. That means 2 into 1 minus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. So 2 ones are 2 minus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. 2 plus 5, 7 minus 3y equals to 0. It means what? If you place y equals to 7 upon 3, 3 cancel, 7 minus 7 equals to 0. It means you can take randomly. This is the random example, so don't worry about it. You can take any values of x and y so that this equation will be 0. It means what? Linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Remember this thing. Linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. It has infinite solution. It doesn't mean that once you take x equals to 1 and y equal to 7 by 3, this is the only solution. No. If you take x equals to 2, then you will get y different. If you take x equals to minus 2, you will get y different. If you take x equal to 1 by 2, you will get y different, such that sum of these three will be 0. That means that linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions are there. Okay, that means what? For one student x and y are different, for second student x and y are different, and for 1000 number student x and y are also different. Means many answers are there. So for this type of question, remember that don't compare your answer with the answer given in your textbook at last page, because maybe they are different. Is it okay? Now after that we will start exercise 4.1. See. Exercise 4.1 on your page number 68. Question number 1. The cost of a notebook, see, cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Here we suppose what? Let cost of a notebook is rupees X. Let cost of a notebook, one notebook means a notebook, let rupees X, and cost of a pen, cost of a pen, that is equals to rupees Y. Okay, you have to suppose two variables always and then form equation. The statement is what? Cost of a notebook. Now in mathematical language, cost of a notebook means here we suppose X. So instead of cost of a notebook, this statement say only rupees X. So rupees X is twice the cost of a pen. Instead of cost of a pen, say rupees Y. So X is twice than Y. Rupees Y. Is means verb. Wherever there is verb, always write equals to. So X is twice than Y means double the Y. So standard form plus 2Y, take this side, X equals to 2Y equals to 0. This is the linear equation in two variable. Here constant term is not there, that means constant term is 0. So write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. This is your question and this is the box is your answer. Now question number 2. Express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. You have to find what? Coefficient of x, coefficient of y and the constant term after converting into standard form. The first question is 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35 bar. See, it means what? This is 2x plus 3y, take this term this side, minus 9.35 bar equals to 0. This is standard form. After converting into standard form, compare with standard form. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. It means what? A equals to coefficient of x, that is 2. B equals to coefficient of y, that is 3. And c is the constant term. This is constant term, means minus 9.35 bar. With sign you have to write A, B and C, which is very easy. Now second number. X minus y upon 5 minus 10 equals to 0. The question is given in the standard form. First x term, then y term, then constant, but we modified it. X, I write minus 1 upon 5 into y, y 1s are y. Minus 10 equals to 0. So compare with standard form. Compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. You will get a is what? Coefficient of x is 1, b equal to minus 1 upon 5 and c equals to minus 10. Now third number, minus 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. minus 2x plus 3y. Take plus 6 this side, minus 6 equals to 0. After that, compare with standard form. A equals to minus 2, B equals to plus 3 and C equals to minus 6. Is it okay? Now number 4, x equals to 3y. So take 3y plus 3y this side, x minus 3y equals to 0. Again compare with standard form, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. A equal to coefficient of x, that is 1, b equals to minus 3 and c is not given, that means c equals to 0. 5 number, 2x equals to minus 5y. Take minus 5y other side, so 2x plus 5y equals to 0. Again compare with standard form. Find out the coefficient. A equal to 2, b equal to 5 and c equals to nothing, means 0. 6 number, 3x plus 2 equals to 0. See here, standard form is what? 3x, y is not there. It means you have to consider what? Coefficient of y is 0. Means 0, y plus 2 equals to 0. Now from this, a equal to 3, b equals to 0, c equals to 2. 7 number, y minus 2 equals to 0. Again standard form is, here x is not given, means coefficient of x is considered 0. So 0 into x plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore a equal to 0, b equal to coefficient of y is 1 and c equals to minus 2. 8 number, 5 equals to 2x. So I take plus 5 this side, this will be 0 equals to 2x minus 5. Okay, see here, 0 equal to 2x minus 5, or standard form is y is not there, so consider the coefficient of y, that is b equals to 0. So 2x plus 0y minus 5 equals to 0. So a equal to 2, b equal to 0, c equal to minus 5. Remember here one thing, here I take plus 5 this side, so it will be minus. Suppose someone take plus 2x this side, so this will be my 5 minus 2x equals to 0. Okay, so for him or her, standard form will be what? First term is x term minus 2x, y is not given, so I should write 0y and plus 5 equals to 0. Therefore a equal to minus 2, b equal to 0, c equal to minus 5, plus 5. And for all this remaining 6 sum, you can apply this type of method. That means if you change the sign of this, then minus 2 will be plus 2, minus 3y plus 6. So answer is a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, c equal to plus 6. This answer is also right. Similarly here, you can take minus x plus 3y. Okay, means standard form here, x minus 3y plus 0 equals to 0. Okay, in this way also you can write. You can change the sign also of all these 2 terms or 3 terms, then also your answer is right. Is it okay? So this is about your exercise 4.1, very small exercise, only 2 questions were there. So write down this 2. Afterward we will start exercise 4.2.